MeghalayaPost.news.
Daga Jingshongkha ka Sarkar India bershim tahalor kathong ka 100-day intensive action plan kandan ka jingtre borba ban Pynduhjaid ya ka Jingshongkha Khynnah hagari India hi boro kawai ka FXB India Suraksha kawai na kikinhun triman sobhang klashe megathong banetre rangkat bat kikinhun bapher hari Bhoi district na ka banta ban Penlong ya ka ni ka district kum kata ka district kabalan na ka Jingshongkha Khynnah lapli paj baru hagari India hi boro kawai lang ba ka 100 days intensive awareness campaign kabadai ru kathong jong ka bal viva mukh bharat bakila Buh Thong ban Penshai ne ajing kai ban Pynduhjaid ya ka Jingshongkha Khynnah da ka bakin ajing kai ha ki school ki college ki jaka mane blai ha ki shnong ki thau na ka banta ban Pentikna ban Penkutno ya ka Kamshongkha Khynnah ka badai ka kambean persha ya ki Khynnah ka FXB India Suraksha ka dai ka kanhun bai trelang bat ka Just Rights for Children JRC ha India ka badai ru ka snat rekam bakhlan ka badan hadu arspa sanpau tuli ki kanhun ki batre na ka banta ban Pendu ne Penkutno ya ka Jingshongkha Khynnah ha ki sauspa sanpau tuli ki district kari kum ka jingple paj ba tau snam ya gani ka thong jong ka bal viva mukh bharan lapan bana paj ba ha ka arpnyo tarik unai weng arjar arpusan ban pentre kam ya gani ka thong ka FXB India Suraksha kum ka kanhun kalapan long ya ka program ajing kai bopher ha ki school ki college ha ki shnong bat shimru ya ka jingsmai ban pendap ya gani ka thong ha ki district bopher Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi Abhilash Baranwal ulalam khmat ya gani ka program ajing kai bat pen paru da ka baong ka Jingshongkha Khynnah ka dei ka kam sniu bat baro ki nong shnong ki hab bandan ka jingkit khle ba ka Kamshongkha Khynnah day banja hagani ka district ulong ru bangi day banit relang ban Penlong ya gari Bhoi district kum ka district kabalat na Jingshongkha Khynnah shushu ulong ru balang ba kite ki kenhun kinya khun ban pen priang ya ka khubor ba ka Jingshongkha Khynnah ka dai ka kam snio bar kinu ki badan banta ha ka kam ban Shah Pynshitom kat kum ka Child Marriage Act.
Child marriage is a social evil and a violation of law that hampers girls' education, protection, health and development, and prevents them from realizing their dreams.
So child marriage is a persistent social evil that not only Meghalaya but entire India is struggling with. Ministry of Women and Child Development MWCD last year started a campaign called Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat, which is Child Marriage Free India. And 27 November is the date on which it was launched, and this year we all departments and many other community level leaders took a pledge for making Bhoi district a child marriage free society. FXB India Suraksha is an organization that is working in different villages of Meghalaya, of Bhoi especially, and is basically and is working side by side with district administration to try and eradicate this social evil from our society. As far as district administration is concerned, we have partnered up with them simultaneously from every platform that we get to interact with the community. We are continuously emphasizing on this message that child marriage is not only a social evil, but it's actually a theft. It's a theft of freedom, it's a theft of potential, it's a theft of childhood, and it robs the child of all the infinite potential that he or she could have achieved. So it's something that the entire society has to come together. It's the moral responsibility, in fact, of the entire society that it has to come together and try and help in whatsoever manner possible to eradicate this social evil. So this program has been organized by MWCD. FXB India Suraksha is working under them. Their exact statistics though we do not really have. But then, as I said, from every platform that we get, wherein we are interacting with the community, whether it is at the SHG level, whether it is at the VEC level, or whenever any awareness program regarding any other social cause is also being discussed, child marriage is something that we are repeatedly taking up with the community.
Okay. MeghalayaPost.news